Brothers and sisters, we will go to continue studying Kiluba as we have been doing. Babanjilanga Waya, Lubanji, LUKATA, WATANWA na MWINE. Babanjilanga Waya, Lubanji, LUKATA, Kutanwa na MWINE. And so there's that variant I catch, Lubanji, LUKATA, Kutanwa na MWINE, or Lubanji, LUKATA, WATANWA na MWINE. And this proverb said, look with admiration once and then go away. A long look will get you caught by the owner. It also means a glance at once, then pass. Don't waste time looking or staring at something. You end up by getting in trouble. This proverb is, if I would like to be practical, it will be used mostly in many things, like especially when you are new in a place. You have to walk and stop staring things longer than you are. Just look and continue. Well, we will see them tomorrow again, or something like that. Because when you stay longer looking and say things which people will be start looking at you in a very different way. They probably think you want to steal and so on. So this is a good advice for those people who are new in a place, for instance. And this also can be applied in the applications to many. You can apply in many ways. This proverb can be applied for maybe somebody's thing you are looking with. Instead of just looking once and continue, it may be somebody's house, somebody's wife. you look, and instead of looking once and pass, go your way or continue doing your stuff, but you emphasize and looking, and that's not good, because when you continue staring, the elder saying that you will be caught by the owner, and then you are not, it's not gonna be pretty. So the best way is you probably innocent as you look, but the wise people say, look and go your way. Don't emphasize. All right, let's go in the deep of the proverb. Babanjilanga Waya, Lubanji, LUKATA, WATANA na MWINE. Lubanji, LUKATA, LUKATA, WATANA na MWINE. And I'm tempted to say Lubanji, LUKATA, Kutanwa na MWINE, because if you stay longer, you may get in trouble. You'll be met with the owner of the things you are looking at. Just look and go your way, because you are innocent anyway. You're just admiring the thing. And so the word Babanjilanga, I came up with the explanation. They said mostly Babanjilanga means they usually look with admiration. And they say Babanjilanga, they usually look with admiration, or they admire routinely. You look, it's good to look. They usually look. That's what it means. Waya means you go your way, or you pass, you continue your way. That means waya. KUYA, to go to continue your way. And then Lubanji. Lubanji means observation. That's why I came up with explanation. Act of admiring, observing. Lubanji, so the act of observing. And what else? LUKATA means long. In this context, I believe it's long. It's not otherwise LUKATA generally it's big, and but in this case it's in this context it's long. Lubanji LUKATA, and long or big observation. WATANWA means, and then you be caught, you be caught, or Kutanwa. Kutanwa means is to meet, and you be met with MWINE. MWINE, na it's with, and MWINE is the honor. The honor. The honor will catch you when you emphasize on something. So be careful as you're looking at something you admire which is not yours. Look once and continue being who you are. You don't have to emphasize. There's some sweet stuff around. We can look, and you say the devil forced me to keep looking, you know. It's sweet. Look, and then be content of what you have. Pass your way, do your stuff, and continue looking. It is important to do that, because you get in trouble, and you will not only the owner will catch you, but yourself you will be caught in those kind of stuff, and it's gonna give you a lot of problem in your mind. So let's continue. Let's go to the next part of study. It's verb KUBANJILA. The verb KUBANJILA, which I struggle to have the one word, one verb in English. I'm not specialist in English, I can say too. I'm not the expert in kiluba, but we try to communicate. Look here, it said KUBANJILA means to look with admiration. The verb to look with admiration. That's the way I look at it. Or somebody would say is to observe. And NABA BANJILA, I observe, or I look with admiration. WABANJILA is you observe, or you look with admiration. WABANJILA, WABANJILA means he observes, or he looks with admiration. TUBA BANJILA, we observe, we look with admiration. MUBA BANJILA, you observe, or you look with admiration. And the last one, Babanjila, which means that they observe, or they look with admiration. So we finished the first verb. We have another verb I found in this proverb. It's the verb KUYA. Remember when they say Babanjilanga Waya, you have to look and go. You glance and pass. So Waya could mean past, or could also means go. And so I go or leave. You look and leave. You look and move. And here it said verb KUYA, verb to leave. Navaye, that's the verb, the present still present. Navaye means I'm leaving. Navaye, I'm leaving, comes from verb KUYA. Waye, you leaving. And Waye, he lives, he lives, and then he lives. Let's start over. I noticed something. Nawaye, I live. Nawaye, I live. Waye, you live. Waye, he lives. Tuwaye, we live. We live, or we pass, or we go. And then Mubaye, you live, and we Abaye, they live. Let's pass to the another one. I hope that's clear. Verb Kutanwa, or verb to be met, to be caught. You remember Babanjilanga Waya, Lubanji, LUKATA, WATANWA na MWINE, or Lubanji, LUKATA, Kutanwa na MWINE. You're gonna be met by the owner. So I felt that that verb WATANWA or Kutanwa, it's an interesting verb. So the verb Kutanwa, the verb which means to be met or to be caught. And to be caught, some people say to be caught, but Kutanwa is to meet. Kutana na kutana, I met you. So let's go forward. NABA Tanwa. NABA Tanwa means I've been met. NABA Tanwa, I've been met. I believe I would say that I've been met, or I've been caught. I think we can say that. WATANWA, you have been met. You have been met, or you have been caught. WATANWA, you have been met or been caught. TUBA Tanwa, he have been met or have been caught. TUBA Tanwa, we have been caught. We have been met. MWINE Tanwa, you have been met or you have been caught. And NABA Tanwa, they have been caught or they have been met. So that's my attempt to really to explain this verb Kutanwa. Kutanwa, you were caught or you were met. And I've been thinking how can mean say Kutanwa, Natanwa, Nabantu. I've been met by people. We can say that Natanwa, Nabantu. I've been met by people. Mukwetu WATANWA. Mukwetu WATANWA means that my friend was met by, for instance, WATANWA na Mukwetu WATANWA na Mianda means my friend have been met or have been caught with problems or something like that. So that's the attempt. I think we will continue. The more we study, I guess all those verbs and they will come. They will be coming together, and then we will. If you have any questions, please write, and then we will kind of try to. I will try my best to explain and then come up with a good conversation, and the things will come together. That's what I believe. So I thank you for listening to me, and thank you for doing your best to understand what's going on in this language. I love to talk and explain what's going on. God bless you, and looking forward to talking to you again. Amen.